We're riding on a mini golf course. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh! I stuffed it. Holy hell, do I have a video for you guys today. But first, we got it. So if you guys watched the last video, you'll know we got the brand new pit bike. And today we're gonna be doing dumb shit with it. We got Charlie here on his 110, right? 110? 21, 22. Why does this look so good? This is like, we need to get some pictures. Anyways, today us two dumb motherfuckers are gonna take our pit bikes and ride them in a, what would you call it? An amusement park, arcade, go-kart track. It's like, it's everything. It's like, you'll see when we get there. We're gonna load them up, but they also got a mini golf course. So maybe we can find some sick jumps out there. I don't know, we're gonna load them up. Let's get this video started. We got everything loaded up. It's at least like 95 degrees out here, so we're already pouring sweat. But let's, I guess let's get the show on the road. Holy crap, dude. Is this not sick? The problem is if we jump that, we just go right into the creek. Hey, check it. Yeah, we got a rut. This is crazy because I actually used to come here as a kid, and I know you probably did too. I don't know, it's just weird. Check this out, dude. I thought the go-kart track would be overgrown on the actual track, but it's not. It's like perfect. Let's go in there and check out the garage. What's up with all the scratch marks? The go-kart's that low? Echo!
Ryan is
Say so, I can't put that. Say something else. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. God, I'm awkward.
Dude, this would be sick to hang up like in your room.
What is it?
It's a slow sign.
Really? I don't go slow though. Oh yeah, that's for you, not me. I wonder if someone came in here and like just went. Psh. We might have to come in here and do some pit stops. Oh, dude, look, souvenir. Well, see, here's where we got a problem because I'm definitely smoking some tires. What do you want to do first? Time trial go-kart track or ride the mini golf course?
I say we do the mini golf first.
Mini golf first? All right, so you're down for the mini golf course first, right?
Yeah.
All right, bet. Dude, this is sick. We're riding on a mini golf course. Oh, it's super slippery. What are we doing? Oh my gosh. There's some foliage. Oh my God, it's super slick. Oh, there's like, you can't even see it right here. Look at these like little like step downs. Think I could get over one of these just wheeling up it? No. Oh, there we go. Holy crap, dude. This is so cool. Stop leaving me.
Sorry, I'm just too fast.
Oh no, he's trying to roost me. It's not working. I really thought just from being here as a kid, it was a lot bigger than this. It's so tiny. Like there seemed like there was so many more holes too, and now it looks so small. Excuse me, sir, excuse me, sir, excuse me, sir, excuse me.
Whoa.
Oh, look at this. We got a little berm. Yeah. The berms are kind of cool. Oh, we got a bridge. Oh, I want to try that. Oh, dude, look at this, like bowl corner. That's so sick. Where'd you jump off of? Right here?
Yeah.
Ah! Dude, if this wasn't roped off, I'd ride over that. I'd ride over that bridge right there. Oh, this is a big bowl corner. I'm cool. Hold on, I got an idea. Stay. Can these move? No. Dang it. If we could get these out of the way, we could jump this. But they're like, we're just gonna get a kicker and go over the bars.
Wait a minute. Let me try something.
Oh, here we go. No way this works. Dude, they're on there. Oh, you did it. No way.
Let's go.
No way that's working. We'll put them back, obviously.
Damn. Yeah, that one's not coming
Hit
out.
this one. Use all the bricks you just did to hit it with.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Oh, that works so much better. Get this one. Okay, I mean, that works too. Let's do it. Are you going first?
Yeah.
He's got a butt you got a butt crack stain.
No.
Dude, that's sick. Yo! Dude, that's so fun. A little drift action. Oh, this has got tons of traction. Oh, here we go. It's so small, but just the fact we're doing it on a mini golf course is so funny. I'm gonna jump down these. This looks fun. Bushwhacker over here. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my God. It's so much fun. There's a little pond. That's cool. I don't remember that being here. A little donny action. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm kind of dizzy now. Uh-oh, here we go. The jungle safari. I can't get away from trees, man. Like, I've been having to dodge trees every video I made.
ready. Are we jumping off of them?
Yeah, every single one of them.
Yikes. My brakes they got locked up on that last one.
Really?
Almost
eat it?
Almost sent me to the tree. Hold on, watch this.
You see your tire mark you left right there?
Yeah, I was just waiting for it to catch. I thought I was gonna loop out.
All right, send it.
I'm wearing rain boots. I just hope there's no damn snakes, because that would suck.
Whoa, watch it. I'm just kidding.
God. Check me.
All right, you want to go check out the go-kart track? All right, let's do it. We good?
Yeah.
See ya. Oh, hey, I want to do a wheelie. Oh, he's going all the way to the truck. Yay! Can't do feet on. I suck at wheelies. Hey, CRF 100 days, am I right? I definitely think this is the wrong way, but that's whatever. I feel like a MotoGP rider right now. Sticking my knee out and shit. Apex. I feel like I definitely need more PSI in my tires for this. I'm gonna catch you, boy. I don't have that much trust in these knobby tires after I slid out on last video. Dude, this is sick. Hey, nice brakes. You were definitely going the wrong way.
You think?
They send you out that way.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let's try it that way.
He's faster than me, dude. I'm gonna lose this time trial. I'm just gonna try and stay inside as possible. I do not have trust in these knobbies after sliding out when we rode with Braden.
Better watch that inside.
I'm gonna brake check him. He's on me. He's touching me. Stop touching me. I do not give you consent to touch me. Why am I having way too much fun with this? I'm gonna turn around. And go the other way. Whoa! You ready to do a time trial?
Yeah, you have to start inside.
Yeah. Open that so we can start and then run out here and end the timer. Hell yeah. Where are we making the finish line at? You want to make it this cup right here? Okay. Where'd you even find that? So on the line that the seat is on is the finish line. Rules. We're going to do this Le Mans style. We're going to start off the bike. Bike's going to be on this line right here where this bolt is. Okay? And then you're gonna start right here at this line. You're gonna run to your bike, start it, go, and do a lap. Whoever has the best time wins. Rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first?
Yes. God.
Hold on. We're going rock, paper, scissors, shoot. And that's, all right. Just laying down the rules here, laying down the guidelines. Here we go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ugh. Damn it. You go when this fire extinguisher hits the ground.
Okay.
On your mark, get set. Oh, he's moving. Dude, he's boogieing. This might be difficult. Hey, you know what sucks?
What?
I wasn't timing you. Redo. On your mark. Get set. Oh! He was in neutral. He's kind of ripping. That was a good time.
I totally screwed up at the start. It's all good. I think I got it in the bag. That was a hot lap.
That was a heater. You're on a Stanley steamer. Your time was 33.55. That's the time to beat. I need a name for this bike. What are we thinking? Hondi? What's a good Timmy?
Timmy?
Yeah, Timmy the pit bike?
Oh, hell no.
You're definitely gonna have me on the air. You know what? Look at this. I'm using my advantage. I'm working smarter, not harder.
Ready, set. I did the same damn thing. Damn you.
Oh my God.
Oh, you can start in gear, you bastard.
Yeah, that's the point.
On your mark. Get set.
Go, 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 bastard. Slow down.
Good start, good start.
Woo! We're leaning. Oh! I stuffed it. That hurt. I landed too far.
It's coming close.
It might be close, but I stuffed it and shoved my handlebar into my thigh.
Close, but not close enough. Take a guess.
I'm gonna guess 34.2.
35.7.
Oh wow, I suck.
35.07. Hey, you were cutting it close.
Did you see me almost lose it right there?
No, I heard you.
I stuffed the front and the handlebar went into my thigh. All right, well, I guess you're the king of road racing then. 100% that thing turns easier because of the wheelbase.
Maybe.
I'm just making excuses because you suck. Well, I'd say it was a hell of a day. I've never done this before. This was sick.
Maybe a part 2.
Yeah, we do need a part 2. I'm using your camera as the vlog camera.
Can you see?
You gotta get me in frame.
Eater.
Let us know if you want to see more, because we can definitely come back out here and the video's over. See ya. Oh my gosh. Bottle flip.